Hey everyone, Leanne here from Kingdom Bloggers. So in this video, I want to talk about how many blog posts do I need to have on my site before I go live? This is a question I get all the time from those who are like just starting their blogs and getting ready to launch. And, truthfully, this one thing is what prevents many of them from actually moving forward. So let's break this down. How many blog posts do you need? The truth is, you need one blog post to go live. So, you're writing all your content and you should go ahead and publish it as you complete each one. Don't get it all done and then have like 10 drafts just waiting for this magical day to hit the publish button. I think a lot of people have this, and myself included, so I'm totally not making fun of you. When I first got started, this was my mindset as well, that as soon as I go live, the whole world's going to see it. And really, that's just not the case. So, realistically, when you first publish your blog post, unless you are literally sharing it all over social media, which I'll talk about that in a minute, if you're doing that's a little different. But let's just say you're just publishing, just getting the content out there. Well, nobody knows it's there for one. So nobody's coming to visit. And the day you publish it, provided you have not shared the links anywhere, the only thing that's going to be visiting it is the Google crawlers, the index crawlers to index your content, right? Actual people won't be visiting it because they don't know it's there yet. Why do they not know it's there? Because your content is satisfying a search query, meaning they go to Google or Yahoo or Bing, they type in a query. Hopefully your post came up in results. They click it, boom, that's how they get to your site. But a brand new site, for one, is going to take several months before any of your content is even remotely showing up in search results. And so the idea of I need this magical number before I go live is it's just it doesn't make sense. Like, again, if you understand how blogging works. So whatever stuff you've already been writing, get all of that content published. Like when I first started, I have 3 websites right now. I've had more in the past, but I started 2 last year. And one of them, I had a lot of drafts that people had sent me. So I had other people writing the content. I literally published them all. The first day I got 2 done, and then the next day I got the rest of them done. That's okay because all that content was being pushed in there. But let's say you're getting one at a time and it's taking you a week. Don't hold off for, say, 4 months because that's how long it took you to get, I don't know, 10 blog posts finished. Because then that's 4 months longer that it's going to take Google to index your content. The sooner you get it in there, the sooner Google can start doing its thing. And so the longer you delay that process, the longer you delay hitting that go button, it's just delaying the results that you're hoping to accomplish. So back to the whole sharing on social media. When you first launch your website, your blog, keep it to yourself. Like, I know you're excited. You're like, oh my gosh, I just launched my new website. Everybody come check it out. Right. And so the mindset is I need to have content there so when people come, totally understand that. But again, just focus on getting that content out to Google, to the crawlers. Don't even share it. Give it a good couple of months. Like, just pump out that content, let it get picked up organically. And then in a couple of months, once you've gotten a good amount of content on there, 10, 15 posts, whatever, then maybe start sharing them on social media or other places. I wouldn't recommend doing an email list just yet. But in the very beginning stages of your blog, you just simply need to focus on the foundation. And you cannot do that if you're holding it all for a perfect moment. I've had a few people reach out to me. They're like, well, I have about 10 posts. I haven't published them yet, but they're done. I think I need 20 or whatever. And that's not to be rude. That's just a silly way to go about it. And I mean silly in that the longer you hold on to it, again, I'll say this over and over because this is the part I think we misunderstand. The longer you hold on to it, the longer it's going to take for it to fruit, right? It's like when you buy a pack of seeds for gardening, you just hold on to the seeds, you never actually put them in the ground. Well, the longer you take to plant those seeds, the longer it's going to take to get your harvest, right? And so just pump them out. If you can get one a week, great. If you get 1 or 2 a month, as you're just getting started, that's fine too. Obviously, the more content you can publish, uh, regularly, the better results, the faster results that you'll see. But again, how many blog posts you need to go live? You need one. So if you've got 4, 5, 6 blog posts just sitting there in draft mode that are completely finished, get in there and hit that publish button. Make sure you go back and interlink the ones that need to be interlinked for internal linking, and then move on to the next one. Like, don't hold on to a potential harvest, because the longer you do that, obviously, the longer that harvest is going to happen. So anyway, I hope this made sense. Be sure to like this video. If you have any questions at all about this or anything really about starting your Christian blog, drop your comments below. Be sure to join our Facebook group. I would love to help you down this journey and help you really understand the dynamics of how all of this stuff works, so that you're doing things that are actually productive and not doing things that are really just kind of spinning your wheels and not accomplishing anything towards your goals. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.